Hello, good evening. Uh, Hello there. So, can we see what's happened with this gold thing? Daily is down, 4 hours is going down. This is what I personally made it, and then we would be looking for a trade. So, welcome back. On Friday, I gave you one trade, I guess. I need to check it up. First of all, we'll go for a Friday quick series. What we did. I forgot, I guess, on Friday what I did. No, not in this way. Friday, I guess we didn't trade only. Let me check on in my journal. Friday was 28. I guess we got one trade. Yeah, we did got one trade. Yes, yes, yes. So basically, we have seen like this to this area because why this area? The supply was this, and it broke here. So we will be looking for entry at this level and stop loss to this 1:1 we got on Friday London session. Not in terms or to today morning I came, early morning I came, so couldn't able to do London session. Then we'll see about. So this was the Friday trade, and for today's on this London session we will see analyze what if we would have been on a London session, which trade we could have been traded. Let this hang stuff gets around out. So 5 minute chart London session, Asian session broke and it came down and then shoot up towards this. So see, this is where we can see impulse move. Even though the demand zone is downside, not necessary that it will always come and just check that demand zone and it will go. It needs a very much fuel in it to make that demand zone and went for upper side level. So we'll wait for that demand zone to intact. Till then we can ride along with the minimals in a minimal time frame. So this was London move. It went above like this. So what will be supply we can look for? So this was a trend line we saw here, and this was our supply zone. We can look at this as a supply zone or as this also supply zone, but mostly I will go for this supply zone is also fine. This supply zone, this one, as it took from demand zone and went up and just fall it down. But the more it went and then made some correction out here, so this will be the best of supply zone, and we can check in at 5 minute 15-minute chart also. So see, this is the trend line. No supplies, no supply zone here around. So this might be the good one. This will be the good one. This is the good one. Yes, totally nailed it. Yeah. So 5 minute we took as a this supply zone, and see, you can see in front of your eyes that it gave us a very nice drawdown and then upper movement for a little bit, and then again it came a very deep in our losses, and then it went crazily up and hitting our TP. So this might be the trade idea you would have been executed on our today's London session. This was the area, and then it came down to 50 level, and then again might have reached little level 78 level, and this was the one support level you should always look for to place stop loss when it goes above this, and it was going above this level, so you will at least minimize your losses for 1:1 risk reward ratio. So I will just save it up for my future references. Oh my god, why this is hanging so much? Zero 1 7. Damn, this PC is slow. I need to update my GPU, I guess. I don't have any other person. Where should I look for a GPU? But yeah, I will do it. Sooner I will do it. Because this live trading will not work on this memory. Okay, here we came. My god. So this went up and crazily came down. So this is like you things, but the 4 hour closed above it. So while it might come to this level and go again up, as this was broken out, this was broken out, even this might also broken, this will be our demand zone. This demand zone I draw before only, before this move happened. So once it was going above, that time draw this demand zone so I can look for entry here. But as of 1 hour, we can see there was a very bad pressure from seller side, and then in 15 minutes we can see almost, yeah, this has to touch, this has to break it down. So now what we will do, we will go for a less time frame, like 1 minute time frame, where we can see supply zone flip or demand zone flip as it happened. It's almost 17. This demand zone indicted and then it went down. Let's wait what this gold is doing. We'll see if there is a movement in the gold. This is just fall. Till then we'll see about what Nasdaq is doing. This is damn slow, man. This is damn slow. Maybe I opened it up after 2 days or something. On 1 minute, Nasdaq is moving out per side. On 15 minutes, we can see there was like a supply zone here and creating the liquidity, and then again grabbing that liquidity and came down thoroughly. Now this was might have been a demand zone, and then it will break this. Then only we will enter. Then only we can see for a nice. Nasdaq, okay. Feels like this is a weak means we नाजुक एकदम कम. And yep, this took as a very nice liquidity short, liquidity sweep, but I don't know how much strong this demand zone is like after this sweep, because we need to wait until and unless this broke this structure, then only we can go for a long buys, or else it will go short. Oh my god. See, it took just sweep and then uh, getting this FVG field or whatever you called it as a gap. Till then we, oh my god, see the 5 minutes chart movement. Come on, gold just moved. Not as expected, but I was looking for the movement though. It might be the fake move also. Is there any news around here? 7:30 news coming on the way. ISM manufacturing PMI. We just have to know that if this movement is based on news or not. Otherwise there are so many movement of fake movement, like they will consider as, oh, they know the news and they went up crazy, but they will do a dumping from that level. So we'll wait for it. Although if you see this might be our entry. And target. 3 pointers. Okay, it took this demand zone and it will go upside, so we'll wait for our zone to come. We can give it a second try. What if like this demand zone breaks and then we will enter into it? So yeah, I'm going to enter on this level, so risking 1% for this. Because there is a news, I guess, so I'm wondering what that news might do. Will it just go straight forward, and or else it will come to this demand zone and break and then sweep the demand zone, or liquidity you may call after that, then it will go ahead. We'll wait for it. See, the levels are already shared here, so don't need to put a limit order or something, because the limit order might, you can see some other candles and then you can just do wish to not trade. So I never put a limit order on this level because I want to make sure I am in the market, and I will do enter on market execution mode. 2328.90. 28.90, it's 29. Let's wait. going up. It's coming down from the gap area, what we call this area. And then we can look. Oh my! See this week happen, and then it went to the supply zone, and then came down basically hard. So our entry would have been like this level to break. We were so focused on shit. This was the entry, man. This was the entry, and exit would have been like crazy stuff. So see this. Basically, the normal Nasdaq thing is this: you need to find out what it gets swept. You need to wait for the supply zone or demand zone if it's happening there. Is it breaking it or is it continuing the demand zone? Because if this continues the demand zone, then the point from that continuous level, you get a very nice impulse move towards downside, breaking the low of that thing, and then you can uh, you know then you can draw your Fibonacci's tool and wait for your 35 level retracement and put an entry on, keeping the stop loss at the high of that mitigation, and wait for our TP to hit. This is the normal basic trade. I would always matter, always wait for it. 30 points P10. Damn, man, should have been got it, should have been. Just on 1 minute we get a lot of nice setups, but sometimes we just miss. But it's okay, part of the game. You will always have opportunity around. Proper killer trade. This was a demand zone, if you can consider it. It got break, took this and then came down, and then damn, man. Second leg continues our study. Oh my god, this is not coming back, I guess, because it will just go above this level. I'll be waiting for this level to breach. Once this level breach, we'll see from which point it went and breach. Considering that would be another point, but then there will be another point below it. So that from that point to this point, we'll take up Fibonacci's level and entry on our 35% retracement, keeping stop loss here and 1% as the target. This or this? I mark down the supply zone and demand zone. So till then, wait for it. Give it a time for a price to run, or else we can just risk 1% here, and we'll wait for these moment to happen. Both of these. So if you are not confident in this setup, then do one thing. You can risk 5% or 0.50% here. So if it hits, then you will get a nice 0.50% target. If it miss, like it got SL heat, then you can trade the another way around for 1% risk, and you can get back your 50% plus you are up 0.50%. So that's how you have to manage it. The risk is all about managing your capital account. Don't risk a lot of things. So yeah. Okay, it's going above. Not even stopping here. I think it will go break this high level which I had created after London session. So basically, we will wait for our setup. So don't be in a hurry. Damn, this was the news. So I guess we already in the trade, and I am I was little skeptical, so I am putting my stop loss here, and I got in trade at this level. Yeah, come on, man. Fuck. So this was the actual trade. At this level, I got in a trade. So I hope I got just at break even, and then we'll wait for. Oh damn! The target level. This new spread is little killing sometimes. Happens. So yes, it's literally happens. Damn, man, damn. Okay, I'm out of. I'm at the at par. So this was my entry. Now 1:1 would be this. Not this, but this. We'll see how it capture this trade. And we'll wait for to target hit. If it's coming below this level, then I'm going to get out of this trade. Straightforward. Because as per the trend, it should go for this high, London high. But from where is the question? Okay. I don't want to hold it because I had very bad entry here. Very bad entry. At the target, I got the entry. So I literally don't want to hold. But I really want to get out of this trade as soon as possible. Because this is not my entry type. And I'm hoping that it just move upside and take my 0.5% what I have risked profit. So that's why I keeping this as a stop loss, very minimal stop loss, or else I will, if this moves beyond this level, then I will keep as a break even my stop loss level. Right now I'm not looking for a break even, so waiting for it. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I kept my for very minimalist break evens sort of. So this would be my stop loss, so it will be just taking me in a very little less thing. I just hope just one spike and then I'm out. Okay, I will be out. I take out this trade. Although this trade got our hit, if someone has put the limit order, then was guess to this person, he already took a profit 1%, and even I got a not 1%, I got 0.5% of the trade profit, not 0.5, 0.40%. So yeah, it's okay, it was good. There was a news, I knew it, but I was waiting for some drop here. It went crazy now. It went crazy. It was good. Nice to see you are in a blue. So Monday. Yeah, boys and girls, we are on the stream or later. This is how happens. How it happens. I got entry at my TP level, and I got out here at this level, something around, yeah, this level. It was good. It was good. It was not bad, but it was okayish. Like you don't got what you want, but it got okayish. So yeah, I got 0.50%, and I'm done for it because I risked 1%. So uh, when it came here and then came down, it was almost going below my 1%, almost going below my 1%. But then again, it went up, and it was in a very much in a blue. So I saw this level as a 1% target hit, but came and then because the quantity was I set like this for this supply, sorry, for this setup, right? So same quantity I entered. It just took a little milliseconds to get into entry level. Shit, crazy though that this news didn't break this zone, like this zone. This news didn't break this zone. It just went up. So yep, we got our target done. I can snap it out. So I will be done. I am done for this day with the gold, with the 5 minutes or 1 minute. You can consider 1 minute trade in NY session on Monday. So yep, good to go. Don't overtrade, don't do it. It's okay, come on. If you have missed it. It's just the first day of a week, so no worry about it. Is it okay? Sure then. See you around, guys. See you around. Tomorrow I might come by London session, so yes, we can look for it. So thank you. Bye bye. Good night.